Hi guys, Jai Reid from O'Brien Real Estate Mornington. Thank you for checking into our weekly property update, being Saturday the 12th of August. First and foremost, the auction clearance rate reported by the REIV last weekend was 61%. This is down from 76% at the same time last year. And now to the properties. This coming Saturday, O'Brien will be launching 2 new homes, 22 Settlers Way in Mount Martha and 5 Rodney Court, Mornington. Beginning at 12 till 12:30, 22 Settlers Way will be opening its doors for the first time. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is just metres to the Benton Square Shopping Centre. Also at 12 to 12:30, we'll be opening 38 to 40 Verdon Street in Dramana. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, 1,576 square metres. Development of townhouses on this property is subject to council approval. From 1 to 1:30, come down and have a look at 21 Tintagel Way, Mornington, a beautiful double-storey home with 4 great living areas for the family. At 2 to 2:30, there'll be the first open of 5 Rodney Court in Mornington. This 3-bedroom home has the famous Fishies Beach and Lilo Cafe positioned right at its doorstep. Don't miss viewing this one. Homes in this area don't last long. Also at 2 to 2:30, you can come and view one of the finest homes on Mornington's peninsula. 58 Scott Street is 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and has unparalleled views of Port Phillip Bay. Finally, at 3 to 3:30, we have 75A Barclay Street, Mornington available. This 1-year-old townhouse has Mornington Main Street right around the corner and is also fitted with an elevator and rooftop balcony. These are just to name some of its finer features. Now to talk about our off-market properties. These homes are available to you via private inspection and will not be found on any of the major real estate websites. You can contact me directly for your own private inspection. Remember, to view any of these homes, you can contact me directly via the phone or email that are displayed below now. Thank you for watching another weekly property update. I look forward to seeing you next week.